Festool keeps raising the bar in professional woodworking, and this July delivers another impressive wave of innovative gear built for precision, speed, and reliable performance on the job. From advanced power equipment to smart workshop upgrades, these new releases are made to satisfy the needs of both experienced tradespeople and dedicated DIYers. In this video, we'll walk through 15 new Festool tools launching this July, covering their key features, real-world uses, and why they might earn a permanent spot in your woodworking arsenal. Tired of edge routing that misses the mark or constantly fighting knotted power cords? The Festool OFKC 500R3 EB Basic Cordless Edge Router delivers a smooth, controlled feel. Its slim, lightweight build sits easily in your hand, making it simple to guide for clean edges every time. The cutter attaches directly to the spindle, boosting run-out accuracy for tighter, more uniform results without tilting or wobble. Adjust cutting depth with remarkable precision down to 1/256th of an inch for perfectly aligned workpieces. Changing bits is fast thanks to the spring-loaded ball bearing brake. Also stops burn marks, keeping surfaces looking pristine. Combined with effective dust extraction in a well-placed center of gravity, the OFKC 500 gives you the control and precision needed for professional-grade edge finishing. Sick of endless sanding after planing or fighting cords while working on site? The new Festool HLC82 cordless planer solves that problem. This is far more than an ordinary planer. It's built for speed and a spotless finish. Its brushless EC-Tech motor supplies steady power even at maximum cutting depth, giving you smooth, mark-free surfaces straight off the machine. The trick lies in the spiral blade, which produces a drawing-style cut so clean that sanding time drops dramatically. With a roomy 3 1/4 inch planing width and a fine 3/32 inch depth setting, it handles a wide range of jobs. Want flawless chamfers? The detachable chamfer adapter, featuring 3 V-grooves, lets you glide in a straight line for even, repeatable results. And because it's cordless, you get total mobility, while dual-sided dust extraction and Bluetooth pairing keep your work area tidier. Discover the strength and accuracy of the HLC82 and take your woodworking further. Is sanding walls and ceilings a grueling task that leaves you tired and with patchy results? The Festool LHSE 225 EQ-CB Plan X Easy takes the strain out of large surface sanding. At just 8.8 pounds, it noticeably cuts down on fatigue, letting you work longer and with more comfort. Its one-piece build needs no assembly. Simply unpack it, plug it in, and start, saving valuable prep time. The direct-drive brushless EC-Tech motor delivers steady power without relying on the flexible shaft that tends to fail in other models, boosting both durability and dependability. The flexible sanding head paired with an ultra-soft pad hugs contours for excellent finishes, and integrated dust extraction means less mess. It won't stick to the ceiling on its own, but its light, well-balanced build gives you outstanding freedom of movement. Reimagine your sanding routine with the Plan X Easy's straightforward, efficient design. Fed up with needing separate tools for every edge task or getting uneven results on laminate and banding? The Festool KC700 EB Basic Cordless Modular Edge Router offers one flexible answer. Its modular build is a real advantage, switching in seconds between trimming, chamfering, profiling, or grooving, all powered by a single motor unit. That means a tidier workshop and greater versatility on the job. Depth control is exact, adjustable down to 1/256th of an inch for seamless transitions and clean finishes every time. A wide base and built-in clamp handle gives steady guidance, keeping edges straight and true. With an integrated extraction channel for effective chip removal and variable speed settings, the KC700 lets you work cleaner and more efficiently. Streamline your edge work and enjoy consistent, professional-grade results with this flexible tool. Frustrated with joinery techniques that are flimsy, slow, or prone to twisting? The Festool DF500RQ set domino joiner provides a game-changing way to create strong, accurate, and efficient connections. Its distinctively oval domino tenons lock tightly and resist rotation, giving you sturdy, long-lasting joints every time. That means you can build with confidence, knowing your assemblies will stay solid. Built-in indexing pins and preset depths make setup quick and precise, cutting down on measuring so you can spend more time building. The Domino's signature pendulum mortising motion produces clean, elongated mortises while limiting heat buildup, which extends cutter life. With a broad selection of tenon sizes and smart connectors for modular projects, the DF500 adapts easily to thin drawer stock, thick panels, miters, and beyond. Get stronger joinery, faster, and with less hassle. Do wobbly routers leave you with inconsistent cuts and expensive do-overs? The Festool OF1400 EQ F Plus router brings rock-solid steadiness to your shop. Its dual-sided column clamping locks the router in place, delivering outstanding stability and repeatable accuracy on every cut. That means you can take on deep routing, recess fittings, or follow templates with confidence that your results will come out clean. Depth adjustments are fast and exact, accurate to 1/256th of an inch, letting you dial in the perfect setting in seconds. The ratcheting spindle stop makes swapping bits effortless. Plus, the built-in LED dust hood lights up your milling zone for a shadow-free view, and a unique chip deflector maximizes dust capture. Enjoy unmatched precision and stability with the OF1400 and leave costly mistakes behind. Fighting tangled cords and poor visibility while sanding, causing you to miss spots and leave an uneven finish? The Festool ETSC2 125 Basic Cordless Sander offers exceptional freedom and accuracy. Its slim, ergonomic shape rests naturally in your hand, keeping extended sanding sessions comfortable, whether you're working on a flat surface or overhead. A built-in LED light ring brightens the work area, revealing imperfections so you can achieve a nearly perfect finish every time. Going cordless means full freedom of motion, powered by an 18-volt battery that works with your other Festool tools. Variable speed control adapts to any material and keeps power steady even under load. Its efficient dust bag lets you work almost dust-free without being tied to a vacuum hose. Enjoy the comfort, visibility, and convenience of the ETSC2 125 and level up your sanding results. Sanding into tight corners or awkward spots can be tough, especially with a corded sander or a bulky tool in hand. The Festool ETSC2 125 Cordless Eccentric Sander makes it easier. Its compact, ergonomic shape fits comfortably in your palm, and the built-in LED ring brightens even shadowed surfaces. A 3.5mm sanding stroke produces smooth, professional-level finishes each time. The powerful 4-amp-hour battery keeps you working without interruption, and it's fully compatible with your current 18-volt Festool batteries and chargers. Its low-profile shape makes it easy to use whether you're sanding overhead or on a flat surface, and lower vibration means less hand fatigue over time. Whether you're in the shop or out on a job, this sander gives you the freedom, accuracy, and polished results you need, without the hassle. It's simple, reliable, and gets the job done. Tired of swapping tools constantly for drilling, chiseling, and driving screws in different materials, or wrestling with heavy, awkward rotary hammers? The Festool KHC18EB Basic Cordless Rotary Hammer covers it all with power and flexibility. Its brushless EC-Tech motor and pneumatic hammer mechanism produce a strong 2.6 joules of impact energy, ensuring rapid progress through concrete, stone, and masonry. Even so, it stays comfortable to use thanks to a vibration damper and ergonomic shape. The tool really stands out with its quick-swap chuck system. Switch effortlessly between the SDS Plus chuck for hammer drilling and chiseling and the keyless chuck for standard drilling and driving in wood and metal. An electronic kickback stop boosts safety by preventing wrist injury if the drill binds up. Add optional dust extraction and Bluetooth battery pairing, and you've got a cleaner, smarter way to work. Handle any task with the power, precision, and versatility of the KHC-18. Drilling into concrete or masonry can wear you out, but the Festool KHC-18EB Basic Rotary Hammer Drill makes it easier. Being cordless, it gives you the freedom to roam the job site, and its strong motor cuts through tough materials without losing power. The brushless EC-Tech motor combined with a pneumatic hammer system promises durability and long-lasting service. With 2.6 joules of impact energy, it drills quickly and efficiently every time. Switching between hammer drilling, regular drilling, driving without impact, or chiseling takes only seconds. Its ergonomic build keeps your hands comfortable through long stretches, reducing fatigue. For anyone who regularly works with hard materials, this rotary hammer drill saves time and effort. Compact, tough, and reliable, it makes demanding drilling jobs much more manageable. Whether on site or in the shop, the KHC-18EB helps you finish tasks efficiently without wearing yourself down.
Working overhead or in cramped positions can drain your energy fast, but the Festool ExoActive Exoskeleton changes the game. It functions like extra arms, supporting your shoulders as you work. Lightweight and fully adjustable, it fits different body types and tasks, adding strength exactly where you need it most. The exoskeleton reduces strain and fatigue, allowing you to keep going without discomfort. It's a great fit for drywall installation, painting, wallpapering, or wall and ceiling work. By easing pressure on your neck and arms, it helps you stay productive and at ease. For professionals who frequently work overhead, such as drywallers, painters, or electricians, the ExoActive makes a noticeable difference. You'll wrap up the day feeling less exhausted and ready to tackle more work. With this exoskeleton, tough jobs become more manageable, freeing you to focus on quality and precision instead of exhaustion. Trimming edges on cabinets, countertops, or flooring is often a messy, slow process. The Festool OFCK 500 Cordless Edge Router makes it fast and easy. Battery power lets you move freely without dealing with cords. Its lightweight, ergonomic design means even long sessions won't tire out your hands. Solid, balanced construction keeps the router stable, while the guide rail system ensures straight, precise cuts every time. You'll get professional quality edges with minimal dust and effort. Quiet operation and low vibration let you work comfortably for hours on end. Whether you're working on cabinetry, flooring, or detailed woodwork, this router saves time while producing clean, uniform results. Its cordless build adds extra agility, making tight spots and confined spaces much easier to handle. With the OFC 500, edge work becomes quicker, more accurate, and far less stressful.
Grinding concrete, stone, or tile can be a messy, tiring chore, but the Festool RG130 Diamond Grinder makes it cleaner and easier. This cordless grinder lets you work wherever you need, while its powerful brushless EC-ETC motor delivers smooth, consistent performance. It's well suited for prepping surfaces, stripping away old coatings and adhesive residue, or evening out rough areas, giving your project a solid base to build on. The durable diamond grinding disc works efficiently, delivering smooth results with minimal effort. When paired with a Festool CT36 AC HEPA dust extractor, most dust gets captured before it spreads, keeping your work area much cleaner. Its ergonomic shape reduces fatigue, allowing for longer grinding sessions in greater comfort. For professionals regularly working with concrete or tile, this grinder is a real time saver. Drilling in tight spaces or on uneven surfaces can be tricky, but the Festool MB40 mobile drilling attachment simplifies it considerably. This compact, battery-powered accessory turns your Festool drill into a portable drilling station, giving you the freedom to work anywhere. It's especially useful when precision matters, letting you drill perfect right angles with dependable accuracy. You can set adjustable stops and control drilling depth up to 50 millimeters, measured in either millimeters or inches, so every hole comes out exact. Whether you need vertical holes, end-face holes, or a repeated sequence of holes, the MB40 handles it all, even on walls, floors, or ceilings. Setup is quick, and repositioning it takes no effort. Dust extraction keeps the area clean, while the ergonomic design reduces strain, letting you work longer with better control and less fatigue.
And that wraps up all 15 brand new Festool tools. To be first in line for the latest releases, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Whenever a new tool hits the market, we'll bring it straight to you. And tell us in the comments which Festool tools you're currently using, which ones you're passing on, and what you'd like to see Festool build next.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.